Hello class 6. Now we are discussing the programming question answer using input statement of chapter 9 part 4. Our next programming question is write a program in QBasic format to print the total amount paid to the shopkeeper for purchasing the following items. Your purchase number of exercise books are 10 and number of brown paper rolls are 4. So first we have to find out the cost of one exercise book and cost of brown paper. So we'll input this cost. See the program CLS input enter cost of one exercise book CB cost of one book. Input enter cost of one brown paper roll CBP cost of brown paper. So there are how many exercise books? 10. The total cost of books equal to CB into 10. CB is the cost of one exercise book and total cost of brown paper equal to CBP. CBP means cost of one brown paper into 4. And total cost will be add both the value TCB plus TCBP. TCB total cost of 10 exercise books and TCBP total cost of 4 brown paper and print the amount TC and end of the program. Let us see the program in QBasic. Program is already typed. Just press F5 and execute it. Open program 3. See, same program. Just press F5. It is asking to enter the cost of one exercise book. Suppose 40 rupees. Cost of one brown paper roll. Suppose 90 rupees. So total amount paid to the shopkeeper equal to 760. Alright. So this was first question. Question number 3. Now next question is question number 4. Write a program in QBasic to find the value of the given expressions after taking a suitable value of A and B from the console. Console means keyboard. We have to input the value of A and B using the keyboard. There are two expressions. Expression 1 is A square plus B square and expression 2 is A plus B divided by A into B. AB means A into B. See the program CLS. First input enter value of A and B, A comma B. E1 expression 1 equal to A caret 2 for A square plus B caret 2 for B square. E2 expression 2 equal to A plus B divided by A asterisk B. Print expression 1 equal to E1 and print expression 2 equal to E2. Alright. So let us see the output of this program. Okay, just press F5. Enter value of A and B. E1 equal to A caret 2 plus B caret 2. E2 equal to A plus B divided by A into B. Print expression 1, expression 2. Press F5. It is asking to enter the value of A and B. Suppose A value is 6, comma, give comma, there are two values. B value is 9. Press enter. So expression 1 equal to 117, expression 2 equal to 0.277 something. Okay, so this was program 4. Now next question is programming question number 5. You want to calculate the total runs made by Sachin Tendulkar only in terms of centuries and half centuries. We have to find out only in the terms of centuries, in the total number of centuries what runs he made and half centuries what runs he made. Write a program in the QBasic format taking the number of centuries and half centuries as input and display the total runs made by Sachin in centuries and half centuries separately. Okay. CLS to clear the screen. Input enter the number of centuries C for number of century. Input enter the number of half centuries SC for half century. So you have entered both total number of centuries and total number of half century. The total run by century TRC equal to C into 100 and total run by half century TRHC. TRHC means total run in half century equal to HC half century into 50. Now print total runs made by Sachin in centuries equal to TRC and print total runs made by Sachin in half century equal to TRHC. Okay. Now let us see the program. Check the output. Open. Program question number 5. Enter number of centuries. Enter the number of half centuries. TRC, total run by century, C into 100. Total run by half centuries, C into 50. Run the program, press F5. Enter the number of centuries, suppose 100. Enter the number of half centuries, suppose 98. So total runs made by Sachin in century 10,000. Total runs made by Sachin in half century 4900. Okay, so this was the output of the program. Alright, now our next question is programming question number 6. In an examination, 20% students failed in English and 30% failed in maths. Write a program in QBasic format to find the total number of students who failed in both the subjects, taking the total number of students in the class as input. Okay, so 20% of the totals are failed in English and 30% of totals are failed in maths. So let us start. CLS to clear the screen. Input enter total number of students TS. Total number of students TS. NFE, number of students failed in English. The total students into 20 by 100, 20%. NFM, total number of students failed in maths. TS into 30 by 100. TF, total number of failed are NFE plus NFM. Print total number of failed students TF. Very simple program. Check the output. Open. 7. No. Question number 6. Open 6. Yes. Enter total number of students TS. Number of failed students, number of failed in math, in English. Press F5. Enter total number of students. Suppose 56. The number of students who failed in both the subjects are how many? 28. Alright. So this was programming question number 6. Now let us see programming question number 7. Programming question number 7. Write a program in QBasic format to find the value of S in the given equation, taking the suitable value of U, V and A as input. We have to input the value of U, V and A, and S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. 2A means 2 into A. What is formula? Formula is V square, S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Answer CLS. Input enter value of U, V and A. U, V, A. S equal to V squared, V carried 2 plus U square, U carried 2 by 2A, 2 asterisk A. Print S equal to S and end of the program. Okay. Now let us see the output. Program number 7. CLS input enter value of U, V and A. U, V, A. S equal to V carried 2 V square plus U carried 2 U square by 2A. 2 into A. Print S. Press F5. Now we have to input the value of U, V and A. What have to input? Input the value of U, V and A. Okay. Suppose U value 5, V value 7, A value 9. Press enter and see S value 4.111111. So this was the output of this program. Now the last programming question of this chapter is question number 8. You purchased a computer textbook and an Oxford dictionary. The shopkeeper allows 10% discount on the computer textbook and 20% discount on the Oxford dictionary. Write a program in QBasic format to calculate the total discount and the amount to be paid to the shopkeeper, taking price of the books as input. So first we have to input the price of computer book, input the price of dictionary, find the 10% discount on computer books, find the 20% discount on the Oxford Dictionary, add both the discount, and amount to be paid will be the cost of both the book minus total discount. This is the program. CLS, input enter the price of computer book. PCB, input enter the price of Oxford Dictionary. POD, discount on computer book equal to price of computer book into 10 by 100. Discount on Oxford Dictionary equal to price of Oxford Dictionary into 20 by 100. TD, total discount equal to DCB plus DOD. AP, amount to be paid equal to, first we find the sum of both the price on computer book and price of dictionary and minus total discount. The print total discount equal to TD, print amount to be paid equal to AP. Okay, now let us check the output. Question number 8, open. Same program, nothing to do, just press F5. It is asking to enter the price of computer book. Asking enter the price of computer book, suppose 440. Enter the price of Oxford Dictionary 980. So total discount 240 and amount to be paid 1180. Okay, so this was the today's last programming question. You write all the programs in your copy and practice. Thank you.